Hi, baby. Hi, heart. Really? Are you gonna smile for me again, Thorn? Are you gonna smile? No? Are you, heart? What do you think? You were so smiley 2 seconds ago. And yeah, I know. And the minute I turn the camera on you, you shut it down. That's silly. What's the matter, Thorn? Oh, really? Oh, boy. Hi. Both of you? Here. What about you? What about you, heart? Is that better, Thorn? Is that better? Is that better? Yeah. Really? Oh, it's okay.